What I was looking for in a graduate program was the ability to become a full-fledged independent scientist.
I really loved the research that the Faculty of Medicinal Chemistry was doing, and I felt like this is the place for me for my master's.
My interest is in pharmacokinetics, where I like understanding how the drug is absorbed or distributed and metabolized and excreted out of the body.
Our labs are state of the art.
We always keep getting new equipments. It's kind of like playing with different toys, but every time we keep getting a new one.
We have an open foundation lab, which means that students from 3 different disciplines are working in a shared space.
When I'm stuck at an experiment, there are always other students from different disciplines who are so ready to help you and broadens your view on science because you're getting different perspectives from different students.
We always want to make sure that our students are feeling supported, and we want to make sure that we give the students enough opportunities to present their data and feel that rewarding experience from all the hard work that they're doing in the lab.
There's over like 120 life science companies within like 25 miles from this campus.
It's right in the middle of the Longwood Medical area. We're surrounded by various research institutes.
Also, there's a very big academia community here. We have Harvard, we have MIT, we have Boston University.
The need for our graduate is amazing right now. Every pharmaceutical company will be looking for those skills.
When students leave MCPHS universities, they have the foundational knowledge based on didactic coursework. They have the laboratory skills in vitro, in vivo. They have communication skills to be able to present their work with confidence. And they have writing skills because a lot of their lab work requires writing out the scientific information in a manner that is to the standards of the scientific community.
MCPHS has given me the confidence, the skills, the audacity to look into the world and say, bring it on. I can face any kind of problem. I can function in any kind of environment. I can start my own business. I can actually go into the world as a formed scientist.